Hi guys,
Hi,
this is
myself
Aswasana.
Dishrelvani. I
I'm
have
grateful
completed my
for the
internship with
opportunity
Unified
to
Mentor
be
as a
a
full
data
stack web
analyst at
development intern. It was a
Unified Mentor
great learning
Limited,
experience.
and
I
this
got to
experience
work on the projects
is
like
very helped
weather
me to
app,
gain
which
my
uses API integration, or student teacher booking appointments,
visualizations
which
and
also
improve
uses
my
Firebase and
skills
Cloud
and
Firestore. I had
strengthen my
such a great time working on
analytical
this
thinkings.
project, which
And
makes my knowledge
if
or,
I will
or my
say about
theoretical knowledge worked into the practical
mentorship
ones.
and
It improved my
guidance
skills in HTML,
through
CSS,
this journey.
JavaScript, and
The journey
also
were
I
very
happened to learn new
supportive and
skills like React, Node,
insightful,
and
and
Firebase as well.
it
I had
helped
such a
me
great time
to enhance
overall. The
my
mentors
skills
in Unified Mentor are
and
so supportive.
professional
Any
way
doubts can be
and
solved if I
technical way
message them
also.
or call them
And
in any
I
time,
would
which
like
was a
to
great thing which
definitely
makes every
recommend
task
you
easier.
at
Thank you,
to
Unified Mentor,
admission
for
at
giving me this
Unified Mental
opportunity, and I'll
Limited,
recommend to
and
all the
those who
students
want
to
to
gain the
aspiring
work
to build career
experience
for
and the
data
real life
analyst,
experience to this. Thank you.
then go for it. Thank you.
Hi.